and welcome to Meet the Staff with our first guest, Miss Howard.
Hi Mason, thank you for that. Yes, I'm Miss Howitt and I am teaching Primary 7 this year. I am also Mason's teacher.
What do you like most about Onthank so far?
Oh, I like lots of things about Onthank so far, Mason, but I would have to say the pupils and the staff in Onthank Primary. It's a very, very friendly place and everyone has made me feel so welcome.
So, now, describe your class in 3 things.
Well, pressure's on now, Mason. I would say funny, energetic and hardworking.
What are you looking forward to most to this year?
Lots of good learning, lots of good celebrations of your success and good fun.
Okay, what are your hobbies?
I'm sure you already know, Mason, that I love to sing. I also love dancing as well, all things theatre.
Now, you're now going to be asked 5 questions. You must answer as quick as possible. Let's hear Listen.
Oh, literacy.
Music or PE?
Music.
Tomato sauce or mayonnaise?
Tomato sauce.
Sweet or savoury?
Oh, sweet.
Movies or musicals?
Musicals!
Finally, Miss Howard, can you tell us 2 truths and a lie? We'll have to guess which is a lie.
Okay. I have 2 cats. I have 3 brothers. And I used to work in America.
Is it that you have 2 cats?
I do have 2 cats, but I don't have 3 brothers. I got you.
Well, welcome to Onthank Primary, Miss Howard, and thanks for letting us to get to know you a little bit. Now it's over to
Primary 2.
Here we are in P2. Meet the staff, Miss Bailey.
Hi everyone, I am Miss Bailey and I joined Onthank this year to come and teach in Primary 2.
What do you like most about Onthank this far?
I think my favourite thing so far is that all the boys and girls are so friendly.
Describe our class in 3 ways.
Polite, hardworking and very kind.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies include going out for cups of tea and reading books.
We're now going to be asked 5 questions. You must answer as quickly as possible. I am your diet cook.
I am good.
Fruit or veg?
Veg.
Reading or writing?
Reading.
Theme parks or water fun?
Theme parks.
Biscuit dishes.
Biscuits.
Miss Bailey, can you ask us a fun fact about yourself?
I once tripped over my own feet and broke my hand.
We hope you have a great year on Onthank Primary.
Bye!
Hello, I'm here with Mr. McClure in Primary 6. How are you, Mr. McClure?
Hi Kai, I'm really good, having a really good day. How are you?
Good. I'm great. So what do you like most about Onthank so far?
So it's only been just over a month, but what I'm enjoying the most is building relationships with all of my class and all the other pupils in the school. It's going really well, and as well as that, the staff have been absolutely fantastic with me.
Describe your class in 3 words.
3 words. Smiley, motivated, chatty.
Yay! What are you looking forward to the most this year?
This year I'm most looking forward to continuing to get to know my class and becoming a better teacher, because the better I know them, the more engaging and the more fun we'll have in class.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies, as quite a few of the class already know, are hiking and football, and I'm actually nursing a pretty bad injury that I picked up at football.
You are now going to be asked 5 questions and you must answer as quickly as possible. 1. Football or rugby?
Football.
Britain's Got Talent or X Factor?
X Factor, definitely.
Solo or teamwork?
Teamwork, always.
Home cooking or takeaway?
Home cooking.
Disney heroes or villains?
Villains.
Thanks, Mr. McClure, for a final interview. We know you will have the best year with us. I think it's time for a movement break, don't you, Mr. McClure?
What do you think?
Yeah, over to you, Mr. Swan.